This is now home for about 100,000 people. It's located near an airport in Central African Republic. Those who feared for their lives came here. They're still living with next to nothing.
They are living on the ground. They don't have enough water. There's no toilets. They just started distributing food and NFIs last week, so after 4 weeks. It is really, really tough for this population.
Nearly 1 million people, or a quarter of the population, have been displaced by violence between Christians and Muslims that's tearing the country apart. And there's cold comfort in the camp.
I've never seen anything quite like it. In an area, it's a camp that's very accessible. It's right next to the airport in the capital of the country. And it's hard to understand why so little aid has come to this population.
The United Nations has warned that the conflict could spiral into genocide.